It's good, YouTube. It's your boy Ferb Fletch back here again. Just came from the DMV. I got the SI registered, so now that she's legit, it's time to start the upgrade. So what I got planned for today, I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop in a few minutes. And I'm gonna get a custom exhaust made for the SI, because you guys all know I do my custom shit. I don't really like buy like all them name brand exhausts. This thing is too pricey, and I rather custom because not everybody's gonna have that sound but me. So what I'm doing is just do a straight pipe back to a 3-inch vibrant. And we'll see how that sounds. If I like the way it sounds, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And eventually I'm gonna get skunked to alpha headers, but that's for future videos. Just today is just gonna be the exhaust. So I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna make a video of how it sounds stock right now, and then do it after when I leave the shop. And then that'll be it for today, until I get the rest of my parts in the mail. I ordered the LED lights, some hood spacers, Patrick JDM shift knob. I got a double din in there now with the bangs. After that, I'm gonna get the whole car retinted. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I'm at the exhaust shop. She's up on the lift now. They're about to chop the resonator and the muffler, and then just weld in straight pipe to a vibrant. I'll get back after they finish doing all this shit. Be a lot more louder than this, but I figure it's because I got 2 1/4. I didn't do a 3-inch or 2 1/2 for performance, because I'm not really trying to get performance out of this SI. I like the sound of them. They have exhausts and headers, so maybe it's because I have the stock cat and stuff still, but it's not that loud. But I mean, it sounds nice. Like the crackles, the pops, but I'm almost home down the street, so I'm gonna give you guys a after sound clip now and wrap up the video. Yeah. Well, gonna wrap it up there, but it's decent for what it is. But stay tuned for more updates on the SI build. Next, I'm gonna be doing coilovers and some LED lights and interior stuff. Then after that, rims and lip kit, and then headers. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys like frequently. Like, I'm gonna be moving fast on this build. I'm not doing anything motor-wise, so I'll be moving pretty fast. So just, you already know what to do, man. Smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and if you're new and you're not subscribing to me yet, you should subscribe, because trust me, you're gonna wanna follow this build. But I'm about to fuck up this famous bowl, so I'm out of here.